guys, welcome to your English class. And in this lesson, we're going to learn how to talk about family members in English. So, you will learn important family words and simple sentences that you can use in everyday conversation. So, this lesson is for you, and this lesson is very important. So let's begin. Family members. Let's start with the most important family words. What's this word? This word is father. Father. Repeat after me. Father. Mother, not mother. So many friends say mother. Mother. Look at to my feet. Father, mother, mother. Brother, brother. Please repeat, repeat. Don't forget to repeat. Sister, sister. Son, son. Daughter, daughter. It's daughter, okay? And husband, husband. Wife, wife. And very good, my friends. Let's review them quickly, okay? Father, father, mother, mother, brother, brother, sister, sister, son, son, daughter, daughter, husband, husband, wife, wife. Excellent job. So, talking about your family, let's learn some simple sentences. To talk about your father, you can say, this is my father. This is my father. And for your mother, this is my mother. This is my mother. For your brother, this is my brother. This is my brother. And for your sister, this is my sister. This is my sister. And let's repeat it. This is my father. This is my mother. This is my brother. This is my sister. Great job. Saying how many people are in your family. So, how to say it? It's very simple. Now let's learn how to talk about the number of people in your family. You can say, there are 5 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family. So, you can change the number, okay? And you can change the number also. For example, there are 4 people in my family. There are 4 people in my family. So, or there are 6 people. There are 6 people in my family. There are 6 people in my family. You can also say, I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. Or I have 1 sister. I have 1 sister. For example, there are 5 people in my family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Very good. So let's go to for a conclusion. Today we learned some important family words. Okay? Father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter, husband, and wife. We also learned useful sentences like this is my mother, this is my brother, there are 5 people in my family, and I have 2 brothers. And practice these words and sentences every day. So, my friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.